Okay, this is kind of scary to enter, but let's see what I can do. At what they call Jurassic Park. This is part of the hydroelectric water dam that was built back in the days that's now kind of left alone, and because of all the gates and the bridges and all that stuff, it kind of looks like it used to in Jurassic Park. It's right now a water treatment center still, but they don't really use it for the electricity anymore. But this is where we park, so we're gonna go now explore some more. More of the canals.
Todavía. Y hay un texto que tú puedes para adentro, que es la cueva.
Alright, so by chance we ran into Lourdes again. She is la jíbara descubriendo a Puerto Rico. How fun is that?
Ajá, bien.
Qué bueno.
De camping.
And so she's out here, and we invited us to come check out this place that she's staying. How fun is this? And it's right above the river that we're going to explore that's called the Jurassic Park, La Planta. And so we're going to go kind of check it out. But thanks for letting us check out the spot.
Ah, pues gracias.
This is called Hacienda
Rio Tanama. En Arecibo, Hacienda Rio Tanama. Justito al lado de La Planta. Y esto es para alquiler, pueden venir aquí a acampar y se pueden contactar, ¿verdad? Mediante las páginas de Facebook. Ellos tienen sus páginas en Instagram y en Facebook así mismo. Hacienda Rio Tanama.
Okay, so gracias. So we'll go check out the Rio here in just a minute. For the canals, they pass through here, and here's a little opening. I guess if you need some water, get a little refreshment. So now we are entering the area of the Jurassic Park, so you can kind of start to see how it looks like the Jurassic Park entrance with the gates and the wires and all that stuff. So let's go see what it has. We're right above the water, you can see here, and then we should see the big dam. a lot of caves. But you just never know when it rains like this how strong the current could get. It's already turning the water kind of brown, so we probably won't be able to get into the caves today. We'll see. Okay, so we are going to walk along this area here and see if we can see some of the cave entrances. Looks like there's one over here. You can kind of see. But I don't know if we're going to be able to cross over there. So we're going to look this way. Looks like there's some sort of a trail. So we're just going to see where it goes. Like I said, the river is pretty strong today, so we probably won't do a whole lot, but we'll see what we can. So I think that right there is where the cave is. I don't know if I should try to cross this river. It's pretty soft water, but right over there is the cave. I just don't know how deep it is. Okay, I crossed the river all by myself. Let's see what's in here. I don't have a lantern, so I can't see, but let's check it out. Okay, this is kind of scary to enter, but let's see what I can do. Wow, really dry for being right by the river. Looks like there's... I can't see anything. I need to come back here with the flashlight. It's pretty cool. This is really weird. It's all like cemented up like a pirate's lair or something. Cinder blocks. And now I really want to explore it more.